You see, you hear about this thing, but men has had it good all this time. Now it's time for women empowerment. You know what's my answer to that? What happened to human empowerment? Empower the human being. I don't care whether you're man or woman. Empower anybody. A human being needs to be empowered. Men were not empowered in the past. We were artificially put on a pedestal. I'll be honest. Cultures and whatever you want to call it, put men on a pedestal. We paid him more than what a woman gets paid. We gave him a nice title. We gave him more. We put him up there. We said, man, you're the best and you trash. So we created that kind of dynamic, and now we say it's women's empowerment. So we say, your turn. So you know what we do? But you know what's funny? Western society fascinates me. We still don't pay the woman the same amount of money as we pay him, but we say we're going to empower you. You know why? Because we actually don't want to pay her. That argument's supposed to be figured out a long time ago. Decades ago, we should have signed it up and said, if you're a doctor and she's a doctor and you do the same job, get the same money. That shouldn't be a debate. That shouldn't be a male-female debate. Why did it become a gender issue? And why did it become a negative thing against men? It shouldn't be. Because she should get the same money. Now let's put that out of the equation now. Now here's the thing. Now you know what happens with a man? A man, okay, you must stay home now because now it's my turn to get empowered, right? Okay, so she goes out and she learns about becoming assertive and becoming, figuring out what her goals are and her dreams, and she needs to find out her purpose is, and she needs to fulfill her purpose of life and all of this kind of stuff, which is wonderful because every human being has goals and dreams and every human being has a purpose, including a woman. So the dude's sitting at home and society is telling him, and you had your turn, now it's our turn. So you know what she does? She goes out and she learns how to become more empowered. So she comes home and she starts speaking about stuff she learned. And this dude sitting watching TV at home has no idea what's going on. And so she's saying stuff and he doesn't know what to say. So he thinks if I raise my voice a little bit, because he's now feeling, he's freaking out, man, he's freaking out. He's feeling insecure, he's uncertain what's happening in my house. Because he doesn't know, because nobody taught him anything. Nobody emotionally empowered him. So she starts saying stuff, and you know what he starts doing? He raises his voice because maybe that will teach her who's boss. After a while she comes back and she says, you can't speak to me like that, I'm a human being. And now he doesn't know what to do. So then he starts getting a bit vulgar, because he thinks maybe if I show I'm macho, you know, I'll get my position back. Because he doesn't know, he's freaking out. He doesn't know what happened to his position. He's unstable. And he's designed to be solid, to be the guy, the man. But now he doesn't know what society is teaching him to be. And I'll be honest with you, society needs weak men. Now I know you think I'd rather say society needs strong men. What I mean is the agenda of society at the moment globally, they need weak men. Because if men are weak, families are weak. If families are weak, society is weak. If societies are weak, nations are weak. And when someone is weak, they're easier to control. If you have strong men, if you have thinking men, you'll have thinking families. And if you have thinking families, you'll have thinking communities, and thinking societies, and thinking nations. Not thinking to do something weird. But you see, the challenge is most people want to be told what to think, not how to think. You should fear being told what to think. As a man, don't ever get into a position where you find yourself being told what to think. Rather learn how to think. Because then when you face a challenge in life, which you and I both know, challenges, you either came from a challenge, you're in a challenge, or you're about to go into one. Life is full of challenges. None of us are escaping challenges, which means if you are taught how to think, then you apply your thinking pattern to anything that's in front of you. You apply that thinking pattern.